Hi, my name is Jude. I am a researcher at Fraunhofer IWE's Subsurface Investigation since April 2022. My main responsibility is managing a publicly funded research project called SASACT, and it is about finding buried cables in the marine environment. In addition, I also work on a lot of industry projects, collaborating with highly skilled people in acquiring seismic data and producing ground models for the offshore wind industry. So what excites me most about our work is the ever-evolving tasks and working with cutting-edge technology. STEM Fields offers a lot of opportunities for exploring and discovery. Staying innovative, curious, and never underestimating the impact your work can have is very important. I would say all the challenges that you face are new opportunities for growth and innovation. My time at British Antarctic Survey looking at glacial retreat is something that really stands out. What is very peculiar is how little we know about these regions, and working with leading experts and scientists from around the world is truly an honor and privilege. But at the same time, it's very scary to witness firsthand how these climate-sensitive regions are being affected, highlighting our need for urgent action.